Hi, hi, I am Sandeep Ghosh. Today I am going to demonstrate how to install and configure Fedora Core 44 version. Let's start with for installing and configuring. I am using VMware Workstation version 17, and here I am creating the new one. Okay, file, new virtual machine, and yeah, typical recommended. Next, proceed with the same. Let's select installer. ISO I have already downloaded. Browse the same. Yeah, I have kept inside ISO dump, and here I'll be selecting Fedora Core version live CD. Select open to proceed with. Okay, it has detected. Now, uh, click next to proceed further and give any virtual machine name and where you'd like to install. I'll be giving the name that is for virtual machine. Okay, cancel. Just change it to d:/. Okay, click next and use the stored disk as a single image. I have taken 20 GB, and for your information, 2 core CPU and 4 to 6 GB RAM is enough for this Fedora Core version 44 installation. Click finish to proceed further. Yeah, power on virtual machine. I'm worrying on the same. Yeah, it has started, and click on the same and start your Fedora version live. Let it start. Meanwhile, pausing the same. It has started loading the live CD. You can directly use the live CD for your purpose. If you don't want to get installed, just to check what are the features are available with the Fedora Core for version 44 live CD. And it also gives the option to install the Fedora Core to your local system. That may be your desktop or laptop. You can continue with that. Let's get it loaded. After that, I'll start demonstrating the same. Live CD is still loading. I've given 1 core and 6 GB of RAM to speed up the process. Finally, live CD has loaded, and here you will get the option to install the Fedora code to your laptop or desktop local system. You can click on that. Okay, we have got the option to install Fedora Core Linux on your local system. Click on that to continue with the same. Yeah, it has initiated the uh, yearly configuration required for installing your Fedora Linux 44 Workstation Edition installation process. And here we have to select English or as per your regional language choice, and keyboard as for the local. Click next to proceed. Here you have to give the destination to install. That is the disk location that I have selected 20 GB disk for the same. Yeah, this is the disk that I have selected. Okay, select this and proceed for the next. and I have selected use entire disk for the same. I will not be customizing the disk at this time. Next, storage. If you want the disk to be encrypted, you can select the encrypt my data, and here you can give the password protected so that every time you will start the system, it will ask for the password. Click next to proceed, and it has already selected, and it will go for the default partitions to be created on the installation on the disk for installing the Fedora Linux version 44, and these are the summary, and you have to review the same and proceed further. Here it will give the warning, erase data and install. You can proceed with the same, and while carrying out the installation on the laptop or desktop, you need to take care of the same. You have to ensure that your important data not to be erased or deleted, removed by the installation process, that you have to take care. Click erase and continue with the same, and installation process will start. It will go for installing the storage configuration and software installation and system configuration and finalization, and let it to be continued. At present, it is creating the partitions on the disk prior to installation of the software. Now it has been completed and it has shifted to software installation process. It will be installing the required software to start your Fedora Linux 44 version 44 with graphics uh, is currently in progress. You can see the software installation in progress, and it has installed 8%, and it need to reach 100%. After that, it will proceed with system configuration. Software installation has been completed, and now it is continuing with system configuration, which is in progress. That is installing bootloader, which is required to boot your system. So this is crucial part. Let's continue. System configuration has been completed. Now it is proceeding with the finalization, which is in progress. Configuring installed system. Let it to be continued. Finalization has been completed, and we can exit to the desktop and we can restart the laptop or desktop or virtual machine. Okay, now I'm restarting the system. Yes, restart. The system will boot with the Fedora core version 44 Workstation edition. After boot, you will get the welcome message. Welcome to Fedora Linux 44 Workstation edition, and let's start setup. It will continue with the rest of the setups required to create the administrator user. Location service, you can enable or disable as per requirement, and disabling this one. Yes, automatic problem reporting. Next to proceed. Next time zone, you can select. I'm from India, so I'm selecting India. There is, yeah, H time. Yes, next proceed. Yeah, enable third-party repository. If you do have, you can consider. Now I'm creating the admin user account, which basically will be used by me for the login purpose. I'm giving the password for the same. Next, yeah, start using Fedora Linux. You can start using the same. and you can go to, yeah, you will get the screen. Skip the same. Okay, now you can go for Firefox browser. You can see the website access. Well, I got the access. Let's see Fedora Linux. Oh, well, I am able to have access to the internet. The details. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time and good day.